paper towel. This is when it's complete, what it shows, how long it ran and whatnot. So at this point, you can turn off the power source, unplug both, take the top off, wrap the wiring. Make sure you have your waste bucket designated for upper buffer. Since it has BME, we do need to dispose of it in this way. Okay. And leaking the least amount as possible. We take it to the paper towel.
As fast as possible, you said?
Yeah, because you don't want to drip all over the floor. That's the reason. And then you want to grab your number 1 gel. And then from here, you want a wedge of some sort. This is Hoffer Wonder Wedge. But you can use any wedge that will fit between the glass plates. So you want to loosen up the clamps. Move from both sides.
There's a gel
and then take the wedge and then slowly lift. There's the gel.
Wow.
Put the glass to the side since we're out of racks right now. But normally we put it on a rack like that and then take it to a wash. But then you'll need a razor blade, and then you want to cut about an inch from the top, just to cut off the wells, basically. And then you want to cut off the notch sides as well. Make sure you don't cut into the sample lane on either side. And then you want to go slightly above and slightly below the sample and slightly above the plug. Right. So at this point, you have your designated gel box with its label, A1, this was 1, according to our clamps. And then you have our fixative solution, in our case it's called pre-soak. And then you just take your finger and from the bottom, slowly set it in. And also, one thing I forgot to do, you need to notch the top left corner of the gel, just so you know which way you'll be reading, this being the first lane. Ideally you want to cut the notch here, but in explaining I had forgot.
Okay.
So, and then you do this, or you shake this on the shaker for 20 minutes, and then you're ready for stain.
Okay.
And that's all, and you do the same with others.
Good.